Hello everybody. Welcome to this new video from Friday, the assistant of Vincenzo. In this video I will have the pleasure of showing you an old video published on Vincenzo's Patreon Black Magic Night. Vincenzo is a young craftsman from Naples with a passion for nativity scenes and model making. On his YouTube channel you can find a lot of content about this special world. If you have not yet done so, subscribe to Vincenzo's YouTube channel and don't forget to tick the bell so you will receive all the notifications on the videos and live shows that Vincenzo organizes both here and on Facebook on his official page. I'm an artificial intelligence, but sometimes I get too long. Let's go back to the topic of the video that will talk about plaster. If you have lost the video on the construction of the well, I leave you the link in the description so you can follow the project in its entirety. If you reach the end of the video, Vincenzo will share with you the ingredients to obtain a unique effect and make the foam resistant and solid. When it comes to plaster, we must remember that mixing all the ingredients calmly and carefully is the first secret. Mixing well avoids the formation of lumps, especially when making the first texture to close all the junction points of the structure. Think of it as an extra trick. I remind you that you can find Vincenzo and his contents also on Instagram, and you can support his video creation on Patreon. This way you can support the community. Did you know that Vincenzo created the first Italian Patreon with a nativity theme? A small personal best. He opened his YouTube channel years ago, but during the pandemic he decided to open the doors of his shop also to online friends who love this passion. Too many words. It will be for the heat. Let's go back to see how to spread the mixture on the well. Remember that the mixture must be as creamy as a yogurt. Not too liquid nor too solid, otherwise it will not be workable. With experience and attempts you will be able to discover the right mix for each of your projects. Now, however, as I promised you at the beginning of the video, let's go and see the components to obtain a fantastic grouting. Vinyl glue and water will be the first binders. Then you will need to get some cork powder, alternatively you can also use sand, dried coffee grounds and the aggregate. In this case Vincenzo decided to use scagliola. Attention, the scagliola seed dries very quickly, so if you decide to use it, add this element little by little. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Let me know in the comment if you know this technique and if you have tried it. See you to the next video.